Hey guys, how's it going? Greg here with our unscripted reviews. Today I want to show you my perfect keto breakfast. I bring you pizza eggs. These are so good and delicious and so full of flavor, and they fall perfect within macros. Let me show you how I make them. Alright guys, so our star of our show here, we got 2 medium large size eggs, a low carb marinara sauce. You can make homemade. I really like the Rose here, Rayos, whatever you want to spell it. It's got, if you look here, it's got per half cup. You get some focus going on. There we go. We got 90 calories and only 4 carbs, right? And no added sugar. So it's just the tomatoes. So good stuff. And we're only going to use a couple tablespoons of this, so our carbs are going to be pretty low. Alright? So next thing we got is some good butter, using Kerrygold grass-fed. And that's just basically to cook your eggs in. Right? And then in this bowl here, we got a few things. We got some Italian seasoning. We got about a half an ounce of pepperoni. And we got about a 1/4 cup of feta cheese. Okay? And then finally, and lastly, our mozzarella cheese. Let me show you how I put these together. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and turn my induction cooker on here. And I'm just going to put it to like a medium-low heat. Alright, our butter is completely melted now. Time to crack those eggs. So here's the trick. So we want to let these get up. It's going to take a minute because we're at a low temp here. But we want to let these get up here to just so that the outsides are turning white just a smidge. Alright, those are looking pretty good. So when you get to the whites just starting to form a little bit, we're going to pump our heat down, and this is where we're going to add our marinara sauce. So just 2 tablespoons feta cheese, toss on the Italian seasoning. Alright, so this is a perfect opportunity. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay my pepperoni out, kind of covering these spots. And again, you can go as little or as much as you want with the pepperoni. Alright. And then we're going to take our 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese, and we're just going to kind of put it over top of everything. And then we're going to hit it with our favorite salt and our favorite pepper. Don't forget to get your plate out. And right now we're just waiting for that mozzarella cheese to melt just a smidge. So the big thing here is you want to make sure that these egg pieces right here are fully cooked, and they are. Looks like they're just about ready. I like mine just a little bit more done. That looks perfect right there. Alright, let's go ahead and turn our thing off. And I'll bring you guys with me over here as I just dump them out of my plate. And there they are, guys. Pizza eggs. Break these yolks, and you can see how awesomely gooey and wonderful. You can see that they're fully set up. You guys got to give these a try. These are amazing. They smell phenomenal too. Alright guys, I'm going to go enjoy some breakfast. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please feel free to like and subscribe. We'll be doing some more of these videos in the times to come here. And stay random. See ya.